Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show how you can fix sound problem or low sound issue on Neo 9S Pro Plus. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.